Alright, it's Friday, back up for my weekly visit. The cabin, it's the day after Thanksgiving. Chad is here today doing some work on the windows outside. Greg's not here because he has COVID right now. Luckily, he wasn't here while he was contagious, so my parents didn't get exposed. So what's poppin' today? What you doing, working on the outlets?
Yeah.
Chad made this by hand, right?
Yep.
For in the bathroom?
Yep.
Where it's gonna go in that thing right there. Here's a microwave with part of the plastic off. Oh, this is new. The frame or whatever it is. Oh, all the windows. And this window too. And this one. You gotta get the backsplash. It's gonna go through here. And they're still waiting to hear back from the people about the counters. Some more new outlet covers. Here. Here. No, not this one yet. All right, Mom and Dad are getting the extra stuff out. And they're bringing the bed in. Am I the star? Oh my gosh. And we're getting this old cabinet out here today.
This is the head?
Yeah, let's leave it a good foot away from the wall. Well, there's an outlet there, there's an outlet
Yeah, you
there.
didn't go shy on outlets in here.
No, I probably put a little too many.
There's one.
There's five in each bedroom. Six.
The bedroom's like 8 foot by 8 foot with 10 outlets.
6.
1, 2, 3.
Blake, you need a nitro pill after that? I know, Sue, you're okay.
How do you fix that? Well, this is broke, so I'm gonna cut a piece.
Yeah, it just needs a shim under there. Yeah.
Okay, we do the fridge. We just have to be careful with this cabinet since it's now in.
So you don't want to do gouge in it.
Not a
Preferably
super big one, I guess.
No gouges.
What about the wall?
The wall would be nice to save.
That's the fridge.
Chad was in charge of hooking it up.
Oh, wait.
I'm sure just what's Chad looking for and shoot his feet.
The new movie star.
Is he gonna take all the glory away from us now?
Don't drop it.
I know.
Should I go get the excavator?
Yeah, so it's pushing on that plastic line.
For the water filter.
Yeah.
I was wondering about that. You already investigated that?
Yeah.
Well, I questioned him on it, Chad. I was like, are you sure that is gonna fit? He did the measurements.
Guaranteed.
Have you guys had enough beer where it just looks good like it is?
Yeah. We haven't broken anything yet.
Kind of interesting on how it kind of blends together, even though it's white cedar.
Yeah, it looks really good.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Are they hitting something else?
We need to open this, Blake, so we can see.
What's wrong with it? How come it was crooked at first, or the thing wouldn't go in?
Oh, because there was a shower pipe back there.
I could tell when Sasha's memory card was full, she was going to ask you guys to take it back out and do it again, but...
No, I wasn't.
I don't know. They're off the heater.
Moving the stove in over there.
Trying to.
All right, here it is.
then?
Yeah. I haven't tried this
That's all hooked up.
since I rewired it, so I hope it works. This didn't have a cord on it before, it was hot wired.
Oh. Really?
Yeah, it had a great big cable going into the back of it.
Okay, well, it's not looking as bad as I thought it was. The red.
I think once we paint this, it won't look.
Yeah.
God.
You were like making it all difficult. You were
Well, no, I was looking for my pry bar because I was gonna pick it up a touch.
Do you need my help?
No, you can go right to that.
trying to figure out which one.
Put your side down first.
All right.
Well, what time is it? We're getting ready to head out. 5:17. I'll be up here in another week. Alright, it's another Friday. I think the end is in sight. I think there's a few things my dad is going to wait until spring or summer to finish up, like the screen porch. We are in the home stretch. Alright, we're in the cabin. Here are the new happenings. Mom painted the door. Oh, you painted the little thing outside of it too.
Yeah.
Looks pretty good.
How's it going?
I think the second coat will do it.
Good job, Mumsy. And they finished the floor everywhere.
You got me a screwdriver? I didn't go on this side.
So, here it is. Got the bed in here. Oh, you're using that headboard that was in the garage.
Yeah, it looks good in here, huh?
Yeah, it does look good in here. And what else is new? Trim?
A little bit of trim, just on the top. We got to do the doorways and then do the rest.
So what's Dad working on today? And Chad and Greg?
I think we're gonna try to work on. We might work on the back of that. We're gonna get the mantle on the fireplace.
Mantle? Okay. And you're gonna work on the
That,
bar thing?
First he's gonna shim out. He's gotta, yeah, not the trim. He's gotta get it ready for trim.
Oh, around
He's
the
gotta do
door?
some stuff, yeah.
Okay. Alright. That's what's popping for today. We have a door for the bathroom.
Yeah.
Is it here?
It should be here. Let's try to
Is
pick it
Dad,
up.
when's Dad gonna put the door on?
It won't be today, but
Okay. So the bathroom's almost completely done, right?
yep. What did you think of the? You and Dad gave me a hard time. I think it looks pretty good, don't you?
Yeah, I said the door looks really good. You painted it good. You can't even tell that it was painted. Did you spray paint it?
I didn't. I brush painted it. And
You brush painted something for once in your life?
yeah, and I learned from the spray paint that that's a satin and that doesn't cover crap. So I researched far and wide and got a matte paint that covers. It didn't need 2 coats. The first coat looked terrible. And
You're learning your DIYs.
you could still see the cranberry through it, and it was all streaky. And so I thought it was a bust, but
I will.
You persevered. It's for, I'm documenting the cabin transformation. And my mom's joke is that she wants more screen time because she wants to be a movie star. So Chad is putting these things on there. So there's like It's lunchtime. Mumsy made me a sandwich. They already ate.
I got that all in there.
Yeah, looks good. Is it switched?
It's only active when the light is on.
Oh, you had one of those electricians.
Yeah.
That's kind of that first kind of hard.
We have a palm sander, we can just all use the planer.
We could have went up and over across number 12.
We're on our way up to the cabin once again. I'm in the back seat with Dobby, Mom and Dad's new only child since they're empty nesters now. Dobby. Hey, Dobby.
Call him by his real name.
Hans. 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 Dobby. Yoo-hoo.
You don't like the camera either.
He's in his own world over there. Hans. Are you in the back with me? He already gave me a nice big lick right on my ear. Are you a nice boy? Aww. Hi.
Yeah,
Thank you for the kisses. Well, thank you.
When the dump trucks are lined up like this all the way down.
You know when we make that trip to St. Louis County, or I mean Lake County Auditor?
You can lay. No, you can lay. Oh, thank you. All right, we came up to see Bubsy at work. He's out in the woods. We can't see him. We can hear him though. Well, Bubsy's way back there somewhere. We can't see him. We saw some of the trees he was cutting down though. All right, we're up at the cabin again. Hey, these railings are new on the deck.
Yes, they are.
They look good. It's all new. Go inside and see what's new this week. Got some light switches. Oh, you got the dishwasher in. It's a cute little bugger. It's not blue, that's just stuff over it. A little Bosch. Bro, it's cold in here. Ooh, look at the fireplace. Pretty. That, you got all the trim. Not yet. Got this is new. This turned out good. This matches your normal house.
Kinda.
Looks good, and got the fridge. Ooh, it's shiny. It's a little bit different color than at your house.
Yeah. Stainless instead of another color.
Got some new shelves. Some new cupboards. Looks pretty good. Wow, it makes a huge difference without that huge white fridge.
Yeah.
So much better. Got cabinets up there. Got a door for the bathroom. So what's left? The counters? Some more trim? Or are you done?
Done.
Trim's done?
Well, I got a few pieces to put down.
Just
Oh,
a
you
couple
know what else
random
we didn't do?
pieces.
It's a toe kick under there.
Oh,
Needs toe kick. Toe kick's up in the garage.
Backsplash.
corner and black box.
That's it. And then some furniture. Wow. Can't believe it. So this was the last footage that I'm showing, besides the final video where I will make one video showing the complete before and after. How's it feel to be almost done?
Good. Keep marking.
Yeah.
All right, so we will see you in one last video of the final before and after.
I just realized something when I go to bed in our bed. I never walk around the side. I go from the end.
Oh, so this is perfect for you.
I guess if I get that side,
Wow.
then it's